Hey, it's Ty Crandall with Credit Suite here with a quick tip on getting your DUNS number. So if you're not familiar with the DUNS number is a number that's used to identify your business worldwide. So think of it like this. Your EIN number is used in the United States by the IRS to recognize your business. Well, the DUNS number is used by all types of institutions worldwide to recognize your business as well. So all you have to do to get your DUNS number is you can go to creditsuite.com/reports. You'll see a link for DNB, click the link, follow the steps, and you're all set. Now you can also go to iupdate.dnb.com, or you can go directly to Dun Bradstreet's website, dandb.com, to get your DUNS number as well. Now your DUNS number is 100% free to get. It'll take about 15 minutes to fill out the application, and once you're done, you will be contacted by email and phone by Dun Bradstreet. Keep in mind, these calls and emails are designed to do only one thing: sell you their services. If you don't want to be sold services you don't need, then don't take those calls. So make sure you follow the steps to get your free DUNS number. It adds a lot of credibility to your business. For more tips on building business credit, getting financing, and obtaining capital for your business, visit us online at creditsuite.com.